Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new video. The OnePlus 9 leaks are increasing day by day. The OnePlus is expected to release its new flagship phone early in 2021. The OnePlus 8T turned out to be disappointing, so we are hoping for something far better this time. The Android smartphones competition will be fierce this spring. The OnePlus 9 will face off against the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. But we have reason to think the OnePlus 9 will do great against Samsung's best-selling flagship. The OnePlus 9 release date could be mid-March 2021. In other words, the OnePlus 9 will be released several weeks earlier than usual. There's no word on how much the OnePlus 9 might cost, but since it's OnePlus, it's going to be fairly affordable. We have seen a couple of sets of renders for the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. But let's start with the first live images of the OnePlus 9. This set of photos was given to Photo Arena and it appears to be an early build. The OnePlus 9 will feature a fairly large 6.55-inch display with a hole punch in the upper left corner of the screen. There's also a fairly prominent camera bump on the rear that houses 3 lenses and a flash. The name Ultrashot appears in this camera bump. On the bottom of the OnePlus 9, you will see USB-C port, speaker and SIM card tray. The tray appears to have a rubber seal which should help with water resistance. Another set of OnePlus 9 renders came courtesy of 91 Mobiles. It got a hold of CAD renders of upcoming OnePlus 9 and it appears to include a flat display, corner camera bump and hole punch selfie camera in the top left hand corner of the screen. The OnePlus 9 Pro renders were revealed by OnLeaks and it too has a hole punch camera in the top left hand corner, but it appears to sport a curved display. The OnePlus 9 Pro will copy the 8T by moving the camera module to the top left of the back. It's still early in the rumor cycle, we are not sure what sort of camera system to expect on the OnePlus 9. However, it looks like OnePlus will use Ultrashot branding for the phone, which signals that the company is taking smartphone photography more seriously this time. We know that OnePlus 9 will have 3 camera lenses as well as a flash. We can expect a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera and an unknown third camera. We are expecting the OnePlus 9 to feature a top-of-the-line Qualcomm mobile processing platform, since that's what's inside other recent OnePlus flagships. Normally that would mean Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 chipset, which is a 5nm chip that promises better performance and efficiency than the Snapdragon 865. However, a recent announcement by Qualcomm suggests there could be a different system on chip inside the OnePlus 9. In January, Qualcomm announced the Snapdragon 870 5G. This is essentially a faster version of the Snapdragon 865 Plus that came out last year. Many of the different components of the new chipset, from its image signal processor to its AI engine, are the same as what you would find on the Snapdragon 865. The ideal is that the Snapdragon 870 could still deliver strong performance and 5G connectivity without costing as much as the Snapdragon 888 chipset. A phone maker like OnePlus might view the new chipset as a way to keep the cost down on its next flagship. As for other OnePlus 9 specs, early leaks point to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage to start, but we presume that a configuration with 12GB of RAM and 256GB will also be available. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.